591 680 889. Okay. Okay. I'm connected. Okay. So let me just take over. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Let me just see how this looks like when I click play, just so you know where am I. Okay, this is floor. Let's say something like 100, something like this, and we will put this to be, let's say 4 meters, and this is gonna be 8.4. Not too much. So let's say 8 by, I don't know, 5. Too much. Okay, just a second. 8 by 5. Of this, of course, needs to be measured from the 0 point. So everything basically needs to be measured from 0 point. So this value over here is the distance between the 0 point and the pivot point of this plane over here. So it's from 0 point to the center of this one. So basically this is okay. Can you repeat that, please? Mm, uh, I don't think so, because maybe we can open it in another program, but like OBS or something like that. But then, if Unreal receives first the video, it will get occupied, and you cannot see it in the other one. So we cannot. Okay. Yeah, you can only do it like that. You cannot see separately like video when you are not. Okay. So something like this, yeah. Okay, and so the size of the studio, the from left to the right, was 8.4, right? Okay, length 8.4, 5 width. Okay, width. This is actually the value that we need, 5.86. Okay, where is Unreal? Can you switch back to Unreal, please? Okay. So this should actually be 5.86, like this actually, and we'll make it a little bit smaller, something like, no, we're gonna leave it at 5. Okay, so this is gonna be our floor, and now I will add uh, 2 more planes. This is gonna be back, and yeah, okay, and let's put it at 0. This 0 and also 0. Okay, so this is going to be uh, 5.86. 5.86. And let's put it at 400. Mm, Uh, can you tilt camera a little bit up? Okay, yeah, you can leave it like that, no problem. Okay, this one on the left and right, this one. We have also delay over here that can be seen on a zoom, but we will adjust it. Let me just save this. Okay, can you pan to one side? Okay, other side. You okay? Can you pan to the right? Okay, this is something over here. We need to make it smaller. Is it to take because there is no grid? There is this part of the studio. So, yeah, yeah. So let me just stop this. And what I will do, I would like to do this. Let's say put it at 5, and then do it like this, and make another plane over here. I'll just copy paste this one. It's gonna be up floor right, and this is now 5. This was 586, so this should be 0.86. Put it here. Make sure this is 1. Well, I cannot see anything happening. I tried, this right part. You see that it's not completely green on the floor. You have some smaller part, so I need to match that one because we don't want it to key. So I need to make it a little bit smaller, something like I don't know. We will see when we go to the play mode. Okay, something like that. No, I put it wrong. But I want to go around this area here. You see, because we don't want to key that one. You see? Yeah, you there and nothing has to be in front of the camera, so it needs to be completely empty. So that can you repeat that, please? No, they are filled with the virtual set. So yeah, anything that on the position where the planes are, those ones are keyed. Anything that is not keyed, therefore it's filled with the virtual reality. So it's filled with the VR elements and AR elements. So yeah, for now. Okay. Let's make another plane. We can simply copy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to duplicate. Okay, like that. And let's see. First do it like this, then like this, and now this is 3 meters. This should be 3 meters. This should be 150, and okay. Let's for these purposes leave it like this. Uh, if you want, you can always add more of them. You can change the size and anything, you know. Okay. So, and on the other side, let's just copy this one. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. I do it with shortcut, but sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So, yeah. Okay, this is gonna be left. This is right. Sorry. Okay, let's just play it. Okay, can you point the camera center, like forward? Yeah, okay, and a little pen to the left a little bit. More. Ah, you have lighting over there. Okay, I will just make this wall a little bit bigger. The left one. Yes. Yeah. Mm. Okay, so for this one, let's leave it like this, and we will try to do key like this. But the first thing that needs to be done, let's say, let's say all of this. No, the first things first is the vignetting of the lens file. Let's go to the. Can you open the WhatsApp group on your and you can see that I send you Green Killer vignette calibration step 1 video, and there it's better that you can first watch that video and see how it's done, and we can try to do it together. Yes. Step 2 is the one that we are going to adjust. It's called met adjustments, and that's basically when you are putting planes left right just to match your virtual studio and your real studio. Actually, the thing that we are doing now, there is no explanation to it. It's straightforward. We need to match the physical plane with the virtual plane, and that's it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have like yeah. Yeah, no problem. And also inside the Green Killer manual that I send you PDF, you have QR codes that leads you to these videos. So you can always open that PDF, take a mobile, and yeah. It has sound, yes. Okay, did you watch video number one? Okay, so that is the first thing that we want to do. So you can leave the video 3 for later on, but first let's do the number one. So it's good to have, if you have like a tape or something with you, so you can follow the procedure that is shown on the video. Yeah, maybe not a gaffer, so it doesn't put the, you know, so you don't lose the paint on the floor, because the gaffer is very. Ah, okay, okay. So you can use, then you can use it. It doesn't have to be a tape. Yeah. Without the. Yeah, if you have like a regular tape or something that's not a gaffer, or you know, if it's transparent, then maybe you can like put something on it, like with marker, with black marker or something like that. Something, you know, if you can write that transparent tape on it. Okay. Okay. We'll try to see it. Yeah, we will see. Okay, so you can pan the camera a little bit, yeah, to the center, something like that, and you can put that markers just like in the video around this rectangle. So the important thing that nothing is inside this. You see the white rectangle on the screen. Outer border is black, and there is like a dotted rectangle in the center. So the important thing that nothing is inside that one. So you can, inside white one, yes, because it will yeah, it only looks. Okay, what I would recommend to do, so now tilt the camera a little bit up and a little bit to the left and to the left. Okay, a little bit more up and a little bit to the left now, other left. Okay, like that. So leave the right tape where it is and the bottom tape, put it a little bit down. So put it little bit like 2 centimeters down and 5 centimeters to the left. So it's in the middle. A little bit to the left, 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 left. More, 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 more. Okay, like that. Yes, leave it like that. Okay, like that. And do you have one more tape like that? Okay, and another one we will put on the left side of this rectangle. Ma ne, dobro, mogu sam makniti, nije problem. To the left, please, to the left. Left, 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 more, 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 little bit more. Okay, like that, and but put it little bit down. Down, 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 down. Okay, like that. Leave it something like that. It's all right. Okay, that's it. No, no, it's enough. This is just guide for us where we can put this. So if we exit full screen mode now, it's gonna be okay. And then let me go cine camera active, start rendition. So first zoom. Okay, we are the video different uh, point. See that now this rectangle move. So we need that we need not a side angle. Yes, that is correct. Uh, the only thing that don't move the camera, the tripod needs to be locked and everything. You just pan and tilt the camera like that. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, and I will now capture point and we can proceed doing this. Yes, a little bit to the left just to make sure that we are not. Okay, okay, okay. Too much. A little bit to the right. Yeah, we need to be as precise as possible, and we need to make sure that these black markers doesn't go inside this white rectangle. Yes. Yeah, we just need to follow instructions on the screen. It will tell us when we are over. Okay, that's correct. Yes. Okay. Yes. Good. Okay. La yeah. Last one. Last one on these zoom levels. We need to do this on different zoom levels. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So don't increase the zoom now, but put this rectangle in the middle. Uh, okay, something like that. Okay, and now slowly do zoom in, slowly, until you can see on the screen message that says zoom level good or something like that. Just do it more. Okay, okay. And then we proceed with doing these steps until we are finished on all zoom levels. So probably we're going to do our 7 or 8 different zoom levels and 7 capture points on each one of them. Yeah. So this procedure also takes a little bit of time. Uh, yeah, little bit up, please, just to make sure that we are not in the up, not left but up. Okay, to the right, to the right. Okay, stop. Okay, yep. Okay, that's good. That was good. That was good. This is also correct. That's good. Okay. Okay. Last one on this capture on this zoom point. Yes. Not yes. Yes. Correct. Okay. So just as before. Yeah. Okay. And now increase the zoom level slowly. Yes. Okay. Now tilt camera a little bit up. More. Just yeah. Just so we are sure that we are not covering this transparent tape. So okay, like that is all right. That is correct. Okay, good. Okay, 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 good, good, perfect. Go back to the center position and zoom in, please. Okay, that's good. Uh, Tilt a little bit up, please. Okay, that's good. Good. We will do it in the next step. Okay, good, good. It is not important to be, fully focused. It's just important not to change the focus. Okay, so zoom in, please. Okay, can tilt up a little bit. Okay, this is good. Good. Okay. 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 A little bit down. Okay. Stop. Stop. Oh, did it. Okay. Yeah. Zoom in again. Can you zoom in a little bit more? Just so I can see how much zoom do we have left. Okay. No, it's depending on, what the lens is, and it's okay, but can you go to zoom out until we see that? Okay, go to full zoom in. Yes, we will do it. Okay, this would be the final point. Okay, uh, we can proceed. Yes. Okay. 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 Okay, so this is done. So when we are finished with this, there is no like save button or anything. This is automatically saved. So if you can you go to full zoom out and just point at the center, just so we are ready for next step later on. Okay, you can lock the camera in that position, and I will stop this project now. Okay, so the vignetting process is completed. Uh, can you show me where is this project in your folder? Where is it located in File Explorer or something like that? Okay, thank you. So if I go here to content, I will have now this file that is created, and you can see the time step of it. It was created 1 minute ago. So if you want to ever, to make sure that this file was created, you can always look over here and see if it's created. So just so you don't, just to make sure that you know it everything is created here. So you can check this value over here. You made a point at 0 point zoom, and we made a point at 1, that is basically 100%. So you know that we are fine with this. Okay, that's it. The next step is we uncheck this option and we go here to matte adjustment. Mm, So what that does, we will add all of these planes inside of it, and then we will make adjustment left and right if needed. But since we already did this, we will just put all of them here. Sorry? No, 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 it doesn't matter. I just put it. Yeah, you see that I put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I'm missing one, and that one should be floor, of course. Floor. So mm, okay, and when I press this, it will just put the screen that we saw before. Don't mind these distortions and everything, but yeah, this is the screen, and we already adjusted the positions of these planes. We made them a little bit smaller, so they are good for our studio. So, are you at full zoom out mode? Okay, just give me 1 second, please. Hi, sorry guys, had to answer something. Okay, so the last step is this one. So here, same as before, we need to set the type of the keyer we're going to use. Here there is no option for color picker because obviously it's not color picker, it's Green Killer 3D. But as well as this 3D, when using tracked cam, we can also use Green Killer 3D with static cam. That one is called static cam. Okay, this number of sample is 2. This is basically a number of samples it takes of each plane and then compares one with each other. We leave this at default number 2. If we put it higher values, it will take more time to scan. And in some situation, it can give us better results, but we saw that the 2 is pretty good for everything. And preset number is what we spoke before. So if I change lighting or stuff like that, I can also save this as different presets. But let's say this is our first preset and we'll leave this at 0. No, not yet, unfortunately. That is still being developed. Yeah, but it's idea to have it somehow so we can at least not use numbers but names, but we will see when will that happen. Okay, so when we click this, it will automatically start scanning. So it is important that the camera is in fixed position now, that it doesn't move, and that pen tilt is locked. So let's press play now. It should go into the play mode and it will I cannot see these planes for some reason. Just a second, this is weird. Yeah, of course I didn't put them here, sorry. So same as in all of these steps, we need to put them here in this drop down menus over here. So we have 5 planes, back plane, floor plane, floor right plane, floor left, and we have one more, which is right. Okay, right, left, floor right, floor back. Okay, 5 of them. For example, these reset buttons, if we would reset this during the capturing, so we can scan them again. So you can, for example, scan them separately and add on later on. Okay, let's click play now and see what happens. On the left side of the screen, we have a raw camera feed, and on the right side of the screen, we have the one with the planes and everything. And we just wait until this starts doing. So after everything is blue, on the bottom right corner, you will see some pop-up like section mapped or something like that. And then you can click pause inside the Cine Camera actor, Stipe tracking, this pause over here, and then unlock the camera and pan or tilt to the some side that is not mapped yet. So as you can see now, I have this section mapped area here. I will press pause and then I can move the camera to the left or to the right. So, okay, let's say we're gonna pan camera to the left and tilt it a little bit up. Okay, you can go a little bit up, so we can see all of this. Okay, and pan to the left more. Okay, you can leave it like that, it's okay. So it will not take into consideration this lightning fixture that is in front. It will only take into consideration where the planes are. So I will unpause this and wait until everything is mapped. And it will again give me here this pop-up section mapped. Okay, and I will again press pause over here, and you can now tilt down camera a little bit. Yes. Uh, if everything is set up correctly, nothing should happen. But if there is something like if you did that quickly, if there is a huge delay or something, the engine would start uh, capturing the screen, but the graphics wouldn't be on its actual position. Since the delay here is relatively okay and everything is okay, we will not see the problems here. But we can try if you want and reproduce the error. And yeah, yeah. No. Okay. So before doing this, the best thing that it's that you check if everything is gen locked probably, so you, properly, so you don't have any jittering or stuff like that, and also to check the tracking or graphics or video delay, so you see that everything is matching its position as it should be. So as you can see here, we have this custom timestamp that is green. We have frame rate here that is stable 25, and that is all right. So let's unpause this one, and it will proceed with capturing other stuff. Okay, so section mapped. Let's press pause. You can now go to the right. Yes, correct. Okay, and you can tilt down a little bit, just to be sure that we cover whole of this area. Okay, you can lock it up. No, no, no. You do it more. Tilt down more. Okay, like that. Just to make sure that it will cover that area. Okay, was this one and tilt up. Okay, unpause this one. Okay, so now that we are sure that everything is blue, I will pause this and you can move with the camera left and right to see if everything is blue. If we missed any of the corner, you can lock the camera in that position and we will continue. Somebody needs to talk to you. Hello, David. Oh, are two of you there? Yes, brothers in arms. Yeah. Okay. How are you guys hanging? Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. Sven is excellent. He's our Unreal specialist and XR specialist also. So your guys are in very good hands. Yes. Okay, just a second, please. Можете uzeti pauzu za ručak da mi kažem? Možete uzeti pauzu za ručak ili kaj? Neću, samo malo. Okay, guys. uh, I will give you back to Sven. So keep up the good work. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so yeah, everything is good. Sorry. Yes, one more thing. We need to save all of this, so we need to uncheck this pause, and then click save, and wait until there is import pop-up. You can see here five changes to source content, blah blah blah. We just click import, and now we imported all of these files. I will show you where they are located and where you can see them. So after that is imported, we can easily stop the project, and you will see now what is the difference from before that. All of these are blue now. So it was red before, now it is blue. So we can see that whole area is scanned. Um, Also, if you go back here, not to Stipe content, but to content of your project, you will see that we have these planes over here. So they are called You can see back, floor, floor right, left, same as these actors over here. And we also have two like numbers near it. So this is basically that we know if we are using multiple cameras and different presets, which one to load up. So for example, if you would be saving another preset, then it will generate another asset like this one, but it will not be called back zero dash zero. It underscore, it will be back under zero underscore one, because it's going to be a new preset. So it's basically, if we put this preset number one, then it will be not zero zero, but it will be zero one. Yes. Yeah, it's over, right? Sorry. No, it's referencing to the content folder. So it would, yeah, must uh, content folder of the project. Yes, not in the Stipe content folder. Yeah, just a second, maybe. Strane, možda, da li se ovi preseti mogu staviti negdje drugo, ono? Ovi, da li ih mogu staviti u novi folder? Prije da je to nekako referencirano, tako, ono. Ja nisam nikad vidio, ja čekaj, nisam ni ja, ono. Yeah, sorry, I was just speaking with my colleague about this. So yeah, probably this needs to stay in this one, but I will take a note of it and check with someone. Yeah. And also, just to show you, all of these are, of course, located where your training project is, in this, not in the StypeLand content, but inside the project content. Yeah, yeah. And over there you will have two files. One is USAT and one is AXR. If yeah, because this basically generates an AXR file. Yes. Yeah, you can see them. Go back. Yes, over there. So you see there are AXR files, and also there is USAT files over there. So you need to have both of them. Yes, yes, down at the bottom. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that would be good. Is that okay? Yeah, half an hour. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you're 3:30. Yes, okay. Perfect. Thank you.